Okay, we'll study in the next topic, that is enumerations. So here, what is enumeration? So enumeration is a set of constants. Enumeration is used to create a set of constants, and generally this enumeration consists of set of constant variables. Okay, constant means, here you can see the example. So enumeration, we'll first study what is enumeration. And enumeration is a list of named constant. So we know how to create a constants in Java by using the final, but that is to just create an constant variable, so that the final variable data cannot be altered. Means while declaring we create an while declaring a variable, we create to mention that as a constant, we use the keyword final and we assign some value for that particular variable, so that value cannot be altered. So here, the similar way, enumeration is a list of named constants. Here the point, see, the list of is a list of named constants, means set of named constants. So enumeration consists set of named constants. Okay, for every named constant, means see here in the example Sunday, SUNMON. See here, this contains a 1, 2, or named constant, means the value is assigned for these constants. Okay, the value is assigned with respect to every named constant. Okay, so here in Java, and enumeration defines a class type. So enumeration is act as a class type in Java. Enumeration act as a class type in Java. Okay, so now see, class type means this is also one of the standard class. Means standard class in a Java. Enumeration is a standard class in Java. Okay, enumeration can have a constructors, methods, and instance variables. So all enumeration type can have a constructors, methods, and instance variables. Not compulsory, but they have enumeration have a constructors. You can have constructors also, you can have methods also, instance variables also. So you can create an instance variable with respect to that any specific enumeration type. You can create any instance variable for these weekdays. As I declared the weekdays as an example, see here in the example I declared weekdays as a enum type. So you can have an instance variable for this weekdays, because see why how it is possible to create an instance variable for weekdays, because weekdays is an see, as I said, the enum act as a class type. That is why we can create, it is possible to create an instance variable for this particular weekdays. Okay, we'll see with an example how it works. An enumeration is created using the enum keyword. See here in the following example, enum is created and weekdays. So enum is used to create an enumeration constants or enumeration type. So enumeration consists set of named constants. Okay, so here within this example, enum weekdays is see, we declared enum see weekdays as a enum type. So this weekdays consist this Sunday, so weekdays Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday. Also just with the short forms. So this consists 0, 1. This assigned SUN Sunday was assigned as 0, 1. Next is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 0 to 6. So that is the use of how we create enum constants. So now this identifies Sunday, Monday, and so on are called enumeration constants. So these are called as the enumeration constants. Okay, these values Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So these are called as the enumeration constants. Okay. Next, each is implicitly declared as a public static final member of weekdays. So okay, when you write this, when you declare this enum type, so every constant, these are implicitly public. These all constants are public, and next is static and final. So we know what is the use of public. Public variables can be assigned, they can be assigned anywhere outside the class, means public access specifier. So used to So when we declare any variable as a public or any data member as a public, you can access, it is possible to access the public members outside the class, so no restriction. What is a static? So static members are used to initialize it before the object is created, means during before the creation of object, when we first, so just remember the first methods or first variables are assigned when the program is executed. That is, the static variables are the first variables which are assigned, means takes birth after the once you start program execution. These are the first static variables. Next is the final is used to declare a constants. So that is why, see here they mentioned each is implicitly, see these constant is implicitly declared as a public, static and final member of a weekdays. With respect to this example, these all are public, static and final. Okay, next, it is possible to create a variable of that type, means it is possible to create a variable of that type, means, so as I said, we can create an instance variable for the weekdays also. So it is possible because enum is act as a class type, so we can create a instance variable. So similarly, it is possible to create a variable of that type, means variable of that type means you can create an instance variable and you can store it, store or modify it. Okay, that is possible. Not modification, you can access by using the instance variable. Okay, next, even though enumeration defines a class type, you do not instantiate an enum using a new keyword. So a new operator, I said only it is possible to create an instance variable or a reference variable, not actually the objects of the enumeration type. Okay, see an example of this enumeration. Okay, see here,